In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for data analysis. We'll walk through the basic process of opening Claude, uploading your data, and asking it to help you analyze that information in a simple and practical way. This is a great option if you have a CSV file or another data file and you want quick insights, patterns, or even a short summary report without doing everything manually. First, open your browser and search for Claude. Once the search results appear, go to the official Claude sign-in page. From there, log into your account so you can access the main workspace. If you're already signed in, Claude may open directly to your dashboard. After you're inside, look to the menu on the left side and click New Chat. Starting a fresh chat is helpful because it keeps your data analysis request organized and separate from any previous conversations. That makes it easier to review the results later and avoids mixing your current task with older prompts. Next, go to the chat input area and click the plus button. This is the option that lets you attach files to your conversation. Once that menu opens, choose Add Files or Photos. Then upload the file you want Claude to analyze, such as your data file or CSV file. Make sure you select the correct file before moving on. If your data set has clear column names and clean formatting, Claude will usually be able to understand it more effectively. After the file has been added, click Choose if needed to confirm the upload, and then move to the message box. This is where you tell Claude what kind of analysis you want. Be as clear as possible. For example, you can type something like, "Find the patterns in this data." A prompt like that asks Claude to examine trends, relationships, repeated behaviors, or unusual changes in the data set. You can also ask for a different kind of output depending on your goal. For example, instead of only identifying patterns, you can ask Claude to create a short report. This is useful if you want a concise written summary that you can quickly review or use as a starting point for a larger project. A short report can help turn raw data into something easier to understand. As you use Claude for a data analysis, remember that the quality of the result often depends on how clearly you describe what you need. Upload the right file, give a direct instruction, and review the response carefully. That's the basic process for using Claude AI to analyze data quickly and efficiently.